Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can close your Wise account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you can see the settings options on in the screen, which is just down below of these personal details. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to the settings section where you can see close account at the bottom of this screen. So once you tap on it, it will ask you for a reason. You can see it is written, before you go, tell us why you are leaving. So you can choose any of the reason from here, and if you have something else, then you simply need to tap on the other reasons and you can enter your review over here, and finally click on the or tap on the close account, and yeah, you will be able to close your account successfully. So basically this is how you can close your Wise account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.